Hello lovely people, in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to achieve this look. What can I say? Everything is pink and purple today. Everything. Look at this setup. My shirt, my bandana, my backdrop, everything is perfectly matching. I hope you guys like my backdrop. I absolutely love it. It's so cute. I was not planning on doing that, but my makeup, my bandana, my t-shirt, everything is matching really nicely with my backdrop. I wasn't going for that. It happened absolutely randomly, but I love how everything looks in today's video. So yeah, I hope you guys like the look, and without losing any time, let's go ahead and jump right into the tutorial. Let's go. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Correct. This is actually a concealer. It's color correcting concealer. It's in the shade Peach, and I'm going to apply this right in here, like this. I just want to conceal that bluish color that I have under my eyes with that. Alright, and next up I'm taking the By Terry Brightening CC Serum, and I'm gonna apply this on my face just like I would do in an Instagram tutorial. Ooh. Now this primer will make your skin glow. I'm gonna blend out that concealer. For foundation, I'm gonna mix the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 190 with the shade 170. And then in the areas where I need a little bit more coverage, I'm adding a second layer of that foundation. With this foundation, I don't really need a concealer. It's very covering. I'm just adding one more layer in the areas where I have a little bit more blemishes or stuff that I want to cover up. It's good. Oh, and also the sponge that I'm using is by Nabla. It's wonderful, so soft. I purchased like 5 of them so that I'm gonna have them here with me to do my makeup. The shape is so convenient. I can very easily apply products under my eyes, or let's say around my nose. Super nice shape. I definitely recommend you this if you're looking for a good makeup sponge. Quickly moving on to the eyebrows, I'm taking the Benefit 24 Hours Brow Setter, and I'm gonna brush my brow hairs in place. And I'm gonna fill in my brows with this Sigma Define Plus Pose Brow Pomade. I like mixing the shades medium and brown. Medium and light, sorry. Here they are. This is medium and this is light. Light is a little bit too dark to be light. See, if you're a blonde, this is going to be too dark for you. But I like using it on me, and I like mixing it with medium. When I mix those two, I'm getting the perfect shade for my brows. So with an angled brush and those two pomades, I'm gonna give myself nice and full and defined brows. Cleaning them up with some concealer. I'm gonna bring that same concealer all over my eyelid and also under my eyes to conceal everything in there, and I'm gonna also use it as an eyeshadow primer, like 5 things in one. For my eye makeup, I'm gonna use the Yayy Springtime in Paris Matte and Shimmer Eyeshadow Palette. Wow, what a long name. So the first color that I'm gonna take is going to be this one here. If your concealer starts creasing like that, make sure that you smooth it before applying any eyeshadows on top. Okay, and I'm gonna apply that color in my crease just to set that concealer in place. Next up, I'm taking the color which is right next to that first shade that I just used, and this is going all over my eyelid. Now obviously we need to blend all of this out, so I'm switching to a bigger and fluffier brush. This is the Zuiva 228. I'm gonna take this very nice, it's like a beige color, and I'm placing that in my crease, diffusing that previous shade further into my crease. I'm gonna quickly powder my face because my forehead is so shiny you can see your reflection. I'm gonna take the Nabla Close Up Powder in light, and I'm I'm gonna modify my forehead. My camera actually cut off, but I applied some more concealer under my eyes just to brighten up that area there, and I set it with some powder. I used, where is it? Here it is. The Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder in the shade Cupcake. So yeah, see how nice and bright my under eye area is now. I like that soft touch of purple on my eyes. I really want to keep this look a little bit more toned down in terms of colors on the eyes. I'm gonna make it quite dramatic, but I don't want to make it very colorful. Moving on to the eyeliner. This is going to be the first time that I'm using this one. It's the Ofra Verified Liquid Eyeliner. I'm gonna go ahead and do a winged eyeliner with it. Going back to that Jouer palette, taking that same color that I have all over my eyelid, and I'm gonna bring it along my lower lashes. Next up, I'm gonna take again that beige color, and with the Sigma E41, I'm gonna diffuse that purple shade. I'm very excited to try out this contouring shade by Kevyn Aucoin. It's in the shade Light. I got it yesterday and I haven't tried it out yet. I just swatched it with my fingers, but I wanna see how it looks on my face. Oh wow! It looks amazing. I was about to say wonderful, but I think that amazing is a better word. It looks like it's perfect shade for contouring for me. I like that it's very nice and cool toned color, because you can't really contour with warm toned bronzing colors. They don't look good. If you want to contour, go with something more cool toned. Let's add some blush to this face. I can't stop using this one by Hourglass, guys. I love it. I know it's a little bit more pricey, I understand that, but I can't stop using it. It's good. It's like highlighter and blush in one, and it gives me that very natural, healthy glow and color at the same time. I've been applying it with this brush. See, it's all loaded with that blush. I need to wash it probably. But yeah, I know that this doesn't look like the typical blush brush, but it works for me. So I'm kind of messy when I'm applying that blush. Just, oops, I almost dropped it on the floor. I am going back and forth using large circular motions all over my cheeks. This brush grabs a very tiny amount of product, and you can use it to build up the color of your blush, so you can never add too much with it, because you need to build it up. It takes time to apply too much, so you know exactly when you need to stop. Okay, I can't decide what highlighter I want to wear, so I'm gonna give myself a little bit time to decide. And while I'm thinking about my highlighter, I'm gonna coat my lashes with mascara, and then I'm gonna add some falsies. The falsies that I'm wearing are by House of Lashes. My favorite pair are the Allura Light, and that's exactly what I'm wearing today. I absolutely love those lashes. I think that they are perfect for my eye shape. They just make my eyes so open and bigger, and they make a huge difference on me. The highlighter, I still haven't decided which one I want to use, but let me see. Always going back to this one. This is the Too Faced Love Light highlighter in the shade Blinded by the Light. Oh, did you hear that? Yeah, I've had it for a while. Yay, 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 yay. And then I'm gonna take my setting spray. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter, and I'm gonna spray that makeup sponge, and I'm gonna go over that highlighter. This is going to melt it into my skin, and it will make it look so good. Look at that highlighter on my nose. It's funny. A little bit too much, not gonna lie. I'm so nervous to wear this lipstick. I usually don't wear purple lipsticks because I don't know. I don't know. Usually when I'm wearing purple lipsticks, I go with something more dark, like deep grape colors, and you know, as long as it's dark purple, I'm okay with it. But if it's something light like this one, I don't know. Today I want to try out this one here. It's by Too Faced. It's their Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Queen Bee. So let's go ahead and see how it will look on me. It's not a very saturated purple color. Wait, I can't talk in applied lipstick. Hold on. No, it's beautiful. I was nervous without any reason. I really like this. Hello to my bangs. They're back in the picture. So, I love this lipstick. I love how it looks, and it's also matching with the eye makeup like almost perfectly. Now, final steps. I'm gonna go back to that highlighter and I'm gonna add some of it in the inner corners of my eyes and on my brow bone. Some setting spray. I should have lifted my bangs. Now I have setting spray on. I used Urban Decay All Nighter to set my face. Alright, and that's it. Ooh, I love this look. It's so purpley. But the purple it's very toned down, it's very soft, and I absolutely love how it looks. I hope you guys like this look too. Here are some of the recreations of my looks that you tagged me on Instagram. I told you that I would feature your recreations of my looks at the end of my videos, so here they are. If you feel inspired to recreate any of my looks, take a photo, tag me on my Instagram, and your photo will be featured here. You guys are always so sweet, and I wanna thank you for taking the time to recreate my looks. I'm so happy that you get inspired by what I do. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, go ahead and do it now. Hit that red subscribe button and also click the bell button which is right next to it, because if you do, you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All of the links down in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one.